Hello and welcome to Cyril Burnside's Six Sigma Professional Services. In this video, I'm going to go over and show you how to use our client portal. We really appreciate the fact that you give us the ability to serve you, and so this is a tool that we use here at cyrilburnside.com where we're able to allow you or give you a method or a way to, in a nutshell, to submit service requests and review your current and past service requests. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to tell you is you're going to go to cyrilburnside.com and you'll be presented with a website that looks like so. It might be a little bit updated, depending on when you actually, come to our website. For right now, as of July of 2018, this is what our website looks like, right? And where you would go first is you would go to where it says Client Portal, and you click Support. Okay. Now you're at the support page. So in this Client Support Portal, you're able to do a handful of things. Like I said, you're going to be able to open tickets, view your current tickets. If you don't want to do all that, you just want to check a status, you can do it as well. You can have access to downloads as we provide downloads for you as well. Sometimes there's work that we have to deliver digital work to you. This is a method we would use actually to provide those digital products to you. If there's any announcements, frequently asked questions, or if there's a knowledge base, as time going, we're going to ramp up a knowledge base to help us provide faster service to you as well. Here's where you would actually log in. And last but not least, register. Now I'm going to tell you this much, our registration is not open. So only a current customer or client of Cyril Burnside Six Sigma Professional Services can actually use our client portal. So if you were to click register here, you're going to notice it's not going to allow you to do it. Okay? It's not going to allow you to do it. So you have to have an existing service with us or had one in the past and actually have an account set up for us to be able to use this. This is just closed to our current customers, right? If you're not a customer, you definitely want to contact us and let's see what we can do, see what products or service we can provide for you. And at that point, we'll make sure once you become a customer, you can actually get in here and log in. So the first thing I want to do is I want to show you how to log in first, and then how to create your support tickets, your service requests. I'm going to log in here as test user. Okay, I'm going to log in as test user. The password. I think I right. Get it right. I'll log in. It's taking a minute to log in for some reason. Why is that? Oh, username password incorrect. What am I doing wrong? Let me fix this. It should have worked. Try it again. Test user. Okay, worked this time. So again, sometimes there are times when you have technical difficulties, right? So that's life, right? So it makes sense. So I'm logged in now. And now that I'm logged in, you can see where it says howdy test user, and I can now log out if I want to. Okay, so for the most part, I want to open a ticket, or I want to view my current tickets. If I click my tickets, I've never opened a ticket before, so there's no ticket here. Okay, there's no ticket there for me to look at. So from the home page, or from any page really, where when the menu comes up, you can click open ticket. And at that point, you can now provide some details. Okay, so we're going to come here and say organization is my business, right? Whatever business name, whatever is your business name, you will put there. Your website, you will put your my biz, mybiz.com. Obviously, this is a fake website, right? Um, Phone number is going to be 919-919-123-1234. Okay. And right now we only have support. So you will only select support right here. And then you're going to pick a topic. Where would you best categorize the support that you need? All right. Consulting services is anything dealing with us doing some kind of consulting service with you over a period of time. This is when we're doing digital work like flyers or Photoshop work or anything of that nature where we're able videos or whatever. We digital graphic design. We do some application development work as well. Then we've got some print media design where it's flyers, postcards, business cards, those type things. We design those as well that you can use to get print anywhere. Some social media management for us, your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you name it, Snapchat. We do all that type of social media management as far as content and user account management. Then we have some video and animation, and this is where we do a lot of our graphic design work on the video side of things, where you're able to have animated cartoon videos to explain your products and your service or anything that is that nature where you require video for the most part. And then last but not least is you have websites. Obviously, anything dealing with your website, whether it's website design, website content update, banners, uh, shopping carts, e-commerce integration like PayPal buttons, Square accounts, whatever the case may be, anything dealing with your website, we will actually use that as one bucket here. We don't break that down to minor buckets. Then obviously we want to always use normal, right? You can use low if you want to, but based on your service agreement, you will know when to use high. Okay. For the most part, let's come here and say, let's pick topic here. In this case, this is free form text. You can type whatever you want here, right? Test service request, right? Test service request, right? We can do that. Let's do that. Test service request. And then you come in and give some kind of details. Details will be this is just a test. Come right here. That's my spelling is all wrong. This is just a test, right? Here you can type whatever you want. Here you would probably want to copy and paste content that you might have from an email, from some kind of correspondence in the past, or whatever it is that you want to do. You can actually cut and paste right in there, freeform, just cut and paste, okay? Or obviously type freeform text. You can format and do spaces and bold and all that stuff, but really just remember, just need details of what you're looking for, right? Say then also you want to add a file. You can click here, choose file. Um, in this case, I've got some pictures. I'm going to just pick a picture. I'll pick a picture. I'm going to say OK, boom. And so I picked the picture. This is from a customer I had from before. I'm going to use this image right here. Say I'm uploading the picture. So let's say this is just a test. I want this picture to be added to the community page. Okay, so now the example makes a little bit more sense now, right? So I want hey, this is text. I want this picture to be added to the community page. Community. Sometimes I type too small, too fast, right? To the community page. Okay, so now based on her website or your website that you provided here, right? I know that on the community page, you want to have this picture added. Then you would come in here, verify this all the information is correct, and then you would just simply say create ticket. Once the ticket is created, you're going to get a notice that says ticket has been created. You now notice your open ticket went from 0 to 1, and here's your ticket details. Okay. Say you want to add more content right now. You don't have to wait. You can come right here and click, and you can add more comments. Right. Here's your first message, and there's the image that you provided. Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to say, oh, please change change the title of the article to test page. Boom. Say you just wanted to do a tiny little edit. Oh, you provided the form, but the image, you say, oh, I forgot to tell them to rename something. So this is just another little request. There's no need to create a whole nother request again for this task because we're looking at the same document, obviously, right? We're going to upload this image, but on this community page, you might want to change the article page title to test page. So say you just added this to it. There's no more images to add or whatever the case may be. And so you're just going to say post reply. Now, when you look at your ticket has your first reply and your second reply. It's that simple. Now, when we start working on this, working on your tickets for you, you're going to see our replies showing over here. Okay, so I'm going to do an example of that. And I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, I'm going to log out. I'm going to say support. All right, I'm going to say log in. And support. Okay, now support. Now my support user is in. Okay, that's who's logged in. And now when, say, my support user logs in, they can now see all the existing tickets that's out there. So where is that ticket from? Test server. There it is. Test service request. It's waiting on a reply. So when your ticket comes in to us, we see it waiting for a reply. So we're going to come in here and we're going to say, oh, this is waiting on a reply. Let's see what they need to have done. We'll come here. We can actually see when it was submitted, that the status is currently open. We see the website address that we're talking about here, so we know that's the website we're going to log into. I see, oh, she added a picture, and great. So you know what I'm going to say? Hey, I'm going to say, hey, assign this to me, right? Okay, and I'm going to say, great. Uh, Hello, I will get this request completed. Uh, I will complete this. I will complete this. I will complete your request shortly. Thanks for contacting us at zeroburnside.com, right? Okay. So this is my reply to you. Obviously, this is just fake stuff, right? At this point, I'm going to say assign to me. I'm going to say post reply. Okay, so my reply has now been posted. So here is your initial request. Here was your update. And here is my reply. Okay, so listen, you can see all of our replies. Okay, now the status of this ticket is also changed. So now when I go back to my tickets, right? See, now it says replied. It doesn't say waiting like before. Like just said waiting for reply. It doesn't say waiting for reply anymore. Okay, it says it's open. Basically, we replied to it. Um, right now the status is open. When I'm done with it, obviously we have options. I'm going to be able to close the ticket. I have more options. I can edit a ticket and I can print the ticket. Okay. I think this one's where we can view the ticket history. If I view the ticket history, just like you can do this as well. You can see the history of when it was created, when it was replied to, when it was updated, sorry, by you, and when it was replied to by us, support, and the name of who did it and when is obviously there. So now you can come in here, you can say more options. And more options, I can come in and actually change the priority, right? I can do other stuff here. I can lock the ticket so no more editing can be done. We can mark it as overdue. We can mark in progress. You know, we can do all those different things. So because it's me, I'm going to say mark in progress. Okay. So now this ticket is in progress. So if I go to my tickets again, I can now view, right? Waiting for reply. These are still replied, and now it says in progress. So when you log in as a test user, right? When you log in, that's what you're going to see. So let me show you what you're going to see real quick. You log in, test user, log in, my tickets, and here's my ticket, and it says in progress. And I want to see who's talking to my ticket, who's responding to me, who's working with me. And it shows you, hey, replied by support. Okay. So that's it. So now you know this is what's happening. And just so you know, you should have been receiving, or I shouldn't say you should, but you will be receiving emails. So to whatever email you provided when you created your account to us, will be right here in your account. And so whatever email that you provided when you created your account with us, that's the email that's going to be getting notifications every single time there's an update or a status change or comment, reply, anything that's done to your ticket, you're going to get an email. So with that being said, that's how you create and review your tickets, right? Here at Sarah Burnside, Six Sigma Professional Services, right? That's how you're going to view tickets. And again, if there's anything else in here that as time go over, you'll be able to view these as well. But for right now, um, opening and reviewing your current tickets is what this video wanted to cover. That being said, I want you to have a great day, and if you have any questions or any more concerns, feel free to contact me. You have my contact information, obviously, if you're a customer of mine. So at this point, I want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you in any future videos I make based on your guys' request. Thanks. Have a good day.